Hi guys, this is Todd Jackson with Northern Brewer. Just checking in today to tell you a little bit about our newest limited release kit, the Tasmanian Devil IPA. This kit is great and fantastic because it's limited by the fact that we purchased an entire run of an Australian Ale White Labs yeast that came from their vault. If you don't know about their vault, it is a program that allows homebrewers to build up and decide what yeast that they might want in the future, but the yeast itself is not propagated until the entire run or lot is sold. But we went in, we had a favorite in their vault, and we used to use it in a version of our Tasmanian Devil IPA. So we paid for the complete run of that Australian Ale yeast to relaunch and revamp this Tasmanian Devil IPA. It's got a lot of Australia in it. So we have Maris Otter malt, Pride of Ringwood hops, Australian summer hops, and then 3 full ounces of Australian Galaxy. That brings out a lot of the passion fruit, peach, and citrus notes. It's pretty aggressive on the tongue, so you know, you'll look forward to that. And then it does calm down and really get into this nice balanced IPA that kind of knocks your socks off and I guess makes you say, "Good day, mate." Overall, it's a beer that we're really excited about, and now it's even more limited. So we know that people love it, and we think you're going to love it. So we hope that you don't wait too long, kind of like I did, where this is the last little tiny bit of the house brew of the Tasmanian Devil IPA is, and that's it. It's gone. So we're gonna have to make some more, but we hope that you don't wait too long and get after this kit right away. It should be great drinking for the summer. Cheers, have fun.